Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to unbox a special product that is the alarm system for your syntax or water syntax, so you can conserve water. So I have brought this package from Amazon. So you can check this out in the description if you want to buy this. So let's unbox and I'll show you the demo of how you can install this for your for your water syntax, and you can conserve water. So guys, this is the alarm system for water syntax that I brought. So it is the from the company Goldmedal. You must be knowing it is a switch and electrical company. So this is the box. It's written $7.99, but I have brought this for a less price. I'll put the link in the description, you can check it out. So they have given the features, so you can install this by yourself, or you can install with the help of electrician. So this is the box guys, go from the Goldmedal company. It's a very popular company that manufactures switches that I know. So let's open this. This is the machine. So there is a hook for you to attach on the wall, and this is the socket. You can attach a wire here and put it in the water syntax, and this is the normal 2-pin plug. So let's check it out guys. So apart from that, there is nothing in the box. So I'm going to show you how this will work. So guys, let's assume this glass as your water syntax. So I've connected this here. This is just a switch from the spoiled light. So I took out the wire from that and have connected for now. Don't use this kind of wire, use a better wire. So for demonstration purpose, I'm using this low quality wire. So guys, I'm going to put it here. Let's assume this is the 90% level that you want it to be alarmed when it reaches when the water reaches here. When the water reaches here, you want the alarm. Okay, so let's assume this is, let's switch on the alarm. So it is showing the motor on indicator. So let's pour the water. So let's see guys, it touches both the cathode ships.
सावधान, पानी की टंकी भर गई है, कृपया मोटर बंद कीजिए. Attention please, water tank is full. Please switch off the motor.
So this is how it works guys. So when the water level reaches and touches both these positive and negative, the alarm will ring. So thank you guys for watching my channel. So I'll put the product description in the product link in the description, so you can buy this. So one more thing, I wanted to test if there is electricity flowing in this water. So let's see.
सावधान,
Yes guys,
पानी की टंकी भर
the
गई
tester
है,
is blinking.
कृपया
So I don't know how much current is going through this water. So for safety purpose, you should not touch the water when you switch on this bell.